Nice.
Back pedal.
Caitlin, that's you, Caitlin. Come on, Caitlin. There you go, Caitlin. Win that ball.
Come here.
Good, Caitlin again. Good.
Move, Gab.
Well done, Nick. Good. There you go.
Watch the paint direct.
Gab, get it. Maddie, get it.
Outside, Maddie. Up. Up again. Maddie, got a bigger kick, Maddie. Maddie, back pedal.
Back pedal. Alex, watch your side. Nicky, I need you back.
Bitch,
in the middle.
Jazz push out. What are we talking about?
Take it, somebody. Come to me, Nick. Get it, Gabby.
Come on, Gabby.
Get it, Maddie.
Shadow.
Nice shots.
Yeah. Very nice. Nice start, girls. Push past it, girls. Awesome shots, Sammy.
Big kick.
Yeah.
Come on, girls. They're going to take long shots. We know it.
You can't text while you're on the toilet.
No. I was texting my older daughter and I put it on the
That's it, Alex.
like a little thing.
Okay.
So I put it on there with my glasses. And then when I got, my pocketbook and I was ready to go, I went like this. And the whole thing just went right off.
Let's get it back right now. Danny, not in the middle. Never in the middle. That's 2 times, Danny. No. Daniel. 2 times. Never in the middle. Run up. Go, Nicky. Shot. Defense, where are we? 10 seconds. Follow it in, Katie. Let's get your foot up in the edge.
Right there, defense.
Yeah. 5 seconds.
Nice.
Step, Alex.
Show Kira, 1, 2. Yeah.
Get her out in front of her, Alex.
Gabby, crush.
Gabby nearly good hustle.
It gets easier than that.
Come on, Alex, on your feet.
Come on, boy, you better get that one back. Come on. He went around the middle. He went around the
Player. Come on, G.
Go, bitch.
Alex. Yes.
Move up, Alex. Up.
Nice, girls. Good looks.
Good, Kate.
Stay on your girl tight. Maddie, right there. Right there, Nick. Take it, Nick.
Go do mine. Go do mine. Go do mine.
Come to me, come to me.
Gabby, line.
That's it, kid.
Here we go. Honor.
Good job, Caleb.
Making the move.
Get up now, get up.
Good boy, Kira.
Kira.
Tiana.
Nice. Danielle.
All right, good.
Possession. Look up. What did Coach say about this?
Nicky, control it. Now go up, Nick. Now go up.
Nice, Mendoza.
Push up.
Just sliding the wet floor.
Alex, come on.
Sorry, mock up. G, you gotta turn around. Go,
Get it.
Kira. Go.
Nice. Go.
Nicky, send it up. Go, G.
Go, bitch. Fight for Elizabeth.
Go, Boo.
Sammy, go. Good job, Maddie. Turn with her.
You got her, Danielle. You got her. Nice.
Run right in. Run right back. Go to you, Nick. Go, Nick. Big kick.
Right there, Alex.
You were up, last time you were up 5-2 in the fourth, and they came back out. And Matt has to score
Nice!
Go, Sam, go, Sam.
Sammy, look behind you.
Get in front of
Gab.
Come on!
Back pedal. Come on. Get it.
Look, Rocco.
Step up.
Go, Sam. Go, Sam. Nicky, one more, big.
Danielle, hang back.
Nicky, man on!
Watch behind you, Danielle.
Go, G. Go, G. Better.
Danielle.
Go, Sammy. Go, Sammy.
Too much, way too much. Wait for the line.
Come on, Sammy.
Back, get her.
Matty, drop off now. Challenge every ball. You're in, Dumont.
That's it.
He's offside. Go, Dumont.
Offside, man. Oh!
Hold on, wait till I get over. Take it over. Woo, at least. Good girl. Gabby, closer to the point. Rocco, get this out of the air, Rocco.
Did I at least?
Dumont, go, go, sideways, Dumont, not forward, sideways. Caitlin, too deep, too deep.
Box or Gabby?
Play, then we go. Dumont, move to your right, get outside.
Right there.
Rocco can cover that.
Right there, Maddie. Turn around.
That's right, outside here is your ball.
Get ready.
Quickly, guys, let's go, let's go. You got Rocco, let's go.
Caitlin up. Summer up top.
Now,
Come on, go in with somebody. Back off, Alex.
Maddie, Maddie, two girls.
Middle. Stay on, Alex. Safety valve. You'll know when to go.
Come on, first to the ball, Boo.
Gabby, up.
Take it forward.
Gabby, Maddie, you gotta back up. Eileen, Maddie, you're way too far.
Maddie, your shot is not a good shot. Just pull him in the pool. Come on, Dumont, use him back there. Push it close. Caleb, you gotta press that ball, right?
Back up.
Yes.
Nick, defense.
In the middle. Get in for the cross.
That's it. Stay on it.
There you go. That's right.
Better. Maddie, you gotta stay back.
Come back, Nicky.
Get her, Maddie. Go to the middle.
Nice try, girls.
Good slide, yeah. Nick,
Dumont, more
come
outside.
closer.
Outside, Dumont.
Right there.
Thank you.
Get there, Nicky.
Come two.
Nicky,
He's
you're
gonna
staring
shoot
at
it.
Come to me now. No pull back. That's it. Back.
Caitlin, come up. Caitlin, come up.
Send it. Come on, Caitlin, get there. Stay in the middle, Nick.
Caitlin, not to the middle, Caitlin.
That's it, Maddie.
Summer, you're too deep. Go up. Shot.
Oh, nice shot, Sam.
Stay back.
Summer,
Right there, Gabby. Nick, I want you to go to the ball.
Maddie, go up a little.
Better.
Nicky, man on, man on.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro.
Come on, Jake.
Give her space.
Wait, look up.
Get her. That's it, Anaya.
All right, man on. Come to Summer. Go, send it. G. Rocco, wide turn.
That's it, Gabby. Maddie, you're too far
Keep
up.
moving, Sammy.
Right. Nice.
Well done.
Maddie, you are still too
Go
far
through
up.
Rocco's team. Good, Eileen. Good job, bro. Good, Gabby. Quick defense.
You have, yeah?
Rocco,
House right there.
Sammy, Giroux. Good combinations in the middle. Go right.
Gabby, man on. Gabby.
Not up the middle, Gabby. Shot, now, shot. Gonna shoot, Nicky. Get ready. Come two. Good, Anaya. Good step.
Nice
Come
Calvin.
two. Look around, Giroux.
Maddie and Nick switch, stay. Switch now. Go. Maddie back. Back still. Go, Nick. Push up, Maddie.
All right, get going. Drop that.
Happy, let's go.
Beat it. Come on, Chaz. Too lazy with that.
Go ahead, Kira.
Back
Stick
pedal,
with her.
Maddie.
Nice.
Good job, Maddie. Go, Summer. Go.
Bring it out.
Summer.
All right.
Good job, James. Look in the middle.
Come on, Jake.
Good job, Nick. You got Summer with you. Yes, Sam.
Go, Daniel.
Get this girl.
Get ready.
Alex, get your girl. Nick, get the girl up top. Up top, Nick.
All right.
Yeah! Nice,
That's
Vamos.
Got it!
Good step, Kira.
Body go.
All right, nice try, Boo.
Okay, Sam.
Nice, Sam.
All right. Take it forward. Take it forward.
That's it, Anaya. Maddie, you have to stay back. You're a defensive stopper today, honey.
Good. Now you're in Dumont. 1v1. Let's go. Speed. Can't slow down. Accelerate.
Hit the line.
Cross.
Just floating, Nick. You just floating.
Too
That's
deep,
your girl.
too
Let's
deep.
take the ball.
Oh, nice try! Nice try!
Maddie, stay back a little.
Hustle, Danielle. Hustle. Relax.
Settle. Same team. There you go, Anaya. Come two. Easy. Cross it. Jazz.
Back pedal, Maddie.
Now go, Caitlin. Go with the ball.
Go, Nick.
Right back to you.
Nice, Boo.
Kira.
Outside, Danielle. Outside.
Danielle, you're just kicking the ball. Go, Summer. Go. You got Anaya.
Step gap.
Come on, man, on!
Look, get it, Gabby. Line, come to me.
Quicker, Gabby. Quicker.
Nice ball.
Back go.
Nice try.
Turn around, Danielle.
Cross it.
Vení, gol. Vení, Mendoza. Tira la pelota.
Heel back!
Nice cover, Mendoza. Way to cover, Mendoza. Nice job, Mendoza.
Really, Kira?
Vení.
You gotta get in front, Jerry. Put that to make you
Shoot it.
That'll be Broncos.
What's the ball? Go, Danielle.
Danielle, nice.
Two with Sammy Giroux. All right, quickly.
Nice, Sam.
Drive it. Drive it. Now. Change it. There you go. Go. Go middle. Accelerate. Good. Head up. Head on.
Go.
Gab's back pedal. Step back, Maddie. Let the midi do her job.
Stay in front. There you go. Go. Relax. It's a good idea, bitch. Bitch, drop back. Win it, Nikki. Win it. Dumont, step up. Dumont.
Get it, Gab. Get it.
Move. 1-2.
Come to me.
Come on, Gabby. Take down. Speed.
Get in front of him.
Maddie, come to.
Nice try.
Gabby, nice play, Gabby.
Little quicker to close that gap,
Get out of there.
Good job. Push up. Back pedal, Maddie. Back pedal. The late decent.
You see something over there?
Come on, Danielle, go! Come on, Danielle, move out there.
Run!
Danielle.
That a girl, Alex.
This is a push. Nice. Slide to the middle. Good boys funnel out. Right there.
Nice kick. Okay, Alex.
That's how we play.
Come on, Sammy. Nice play, man.
Bitch, that's you.
Hey, smooth, Caldy!
Hold, do not hold.
That's what we should be doing to them, guys. Don't let them take the
Come on, don't stop.
Back down.
Excellent. Excellent.
No, separate. Separate. Danielle, switch with Kira. Support her play.
Support her.
Go with her. Good idea.
Go, Bo.
Bitch, right? No. Stay. Go towards the ball. There you go. That's why. It's a big throw. There you go. Good idea.
Back pedal, girl. Maddie's now better position. Excellent.
Big throw, Nikki.
Let Nikki get that middle. Excellent, Nick. Stay on it. Step up to it. Good job. Go, girls. Go.
Go. Alright, come on. There you go, now. Stay with her.
Stay in front of her. Excellent. Good.
Not to the same girl. Good.
Go, Maddie.
Yo, I know. It was close. She's always right there.
Two. Quickly. In the middle. No, don't just kick it, girls.
Girls, take your space.
1, 2. Come on, Madison.
Not like it.
That's a call.
Anaya, go to the middle.
Get it. Excellent. Come to it. Who's got it?
Nice kick, Sam!
Get her, Ariana. Don't be scared, Ariana.
Don't kick it back to her, Madison.
That's
Good,
good
Ariana.
job.
Got it.
Madison.
Come on, out of the way. You got to be touched.
Nikki. Get it, Maddie. Excellent. That's your ball,
Nikki, up and over.
Settle it.
Bitch, touch.
Going on.
Big, go. Now beat it to her. Good. Full thread. Ref, full thread.
Got it!
Come on, Alex. Kira, middle.
Go forward. Only win.
Go, Kira.
Get her, Maddie. Don't stare at it. She's going to kick a big one. Go right to her. She got
Outside. Let's go, Newman.
good contact.
2.
Nobody in
Change the field.
touch.
Stop it. Accelerate.
Go through it, Ref. Why would you give it?
I don't want broken bones.
Come on, and keep your eye on the ball.
Nikki, send it up to her. Touch. Move forward.
Kira, watch!
Yes. Touch. Ariana.
Come on, Ariana, get in front of her. Make a line.
Duman! Come on. Your touches. Come on, Duman. Think what you're doing.
Send.
Get the ball to the outside. Anaya, don't.
There you go.
Middle.
Slide in.
Dedicate.
There you go. Kira.
Perfect position now. Nikki in the middle.
Wait, no.
Nikki in the middle.
One more time. Alright.
Tosh, you got your room. You're in, Bracco. You're in.
Go, Kira!
Take your time.
Get back Get her. Good shoot.
Nice throw,
Got it. Go, Danielle.
Come on, Gab, on your toes.
G, that's you, G. What are you looking at?
She got bad.
Ball. Drop, Nikki.
You go, Nikki, drop. Nikki behind you.
Nice catch.
Nikki center. Nikki 7. Turn and look.
Relax, relax.
Jerome, check to the ball, Jerome.
Where?
Yes, too much, Steve.
Go, Sam, go.
Yes, too much.
Nice try, Gary. Good job.
Nice job. Too much, see? Good job, Chaz, in defense. Right there, man. Stay right. Back up, man. Back up. Back up. Way too far up. Right through. Get it, go, Sammy. Speed.
Nikki.
I want to be a flex. That's me.
Nice.
Speed.
Go, Sam. Nice, Cal.
Nice shot. What are you doing for your son? Backyard party. But that video game bus, they took to their birthday, the boys' birthday party. Pulled up like a huge trailer.
Take it, girl. Come on, Gianna. Why are you watching it? Get in there. G, come on. G.
Pulled 16 kids inside.
Way too much.
8 outside. So even if it rains, they're good.
Guys,
You know what I
go
mean?
to her. She's going to kick it, Maddie.
No, you remember I have that covered awning?
Get her out.
Right. Yeah. So, you know, that with the inside. Honestly, there was a lot of people. I kind of kept it smaller
Nikki out.
this year. I kept it smaller. Down south. We did the down south. Oh, well, alright. Yeah, well, right for the old one.
Last time we had it, it got flipped over.
Yeah, last year. Right. We're flipping on it. You know it's good to the older kids?
Here? Go. Lean on her.
Vince, that's you. Get up. Alex, Maddie. Ariana, get up.
Go, Nick.
Maddie, push. Maddie, go.
Same team, girl. Same team.
Shoot it.
Play the ball, Nick. Play that ball, Nick. Good job. Play it, G. There it is.
Nice.
All right.
Good defense.
And Elizabeth, there's 4 of you in a group. Spread out, make it up round. Right here. Come to the space. Right here and now. To the middle.
Watch. Don't go nowhere.
There you go.
Get it.
You got to play that ball. That ball is live.
That's a free kick, Ref. She can't kick
That's a
the ball
live
up.
ball.
Ref. Seriously. Get it. You're in, Jerome. Get it, Alex.
That's it.
Excellent.
Nikki, send her.
Now go there,
G.
Naya. Look where the ball is. Ball press. Ball press.
Perfect. Go
Good.
take that.
Hey, ball press.
Nikki, quickly. Come on, girls. Let's go.
Go, girls. Go.
Maddie, you can come up, Maddie. Watch where the ball is. As long as you have one beat. As long as you have one beat to back you.
Pound it in, girls.
There it is. Keep going.
Not too deep. Trust your speed,
Watch
Ariana.
where the drain's coming to your side.
Nikki, shot.
Now you got to get back. One of you's got to get back. Somebody's got to get back.
Back pedal.
All the way, Sam.
Go to her. Come on. Spread out. Go, G. G, take it. Quick. G, come on, you're good with the ball. Get it. Good, Kira. Out. Come on. Nicky, set. Good play, Nicky. Middle, Nick. Right there, Nick. Don't go too deep. Take that, somebody.
Come on,
Stay up there, Vince. Stay up there.
Nice, Daniel. Let's go now.
Don't let him try.
Now we do mine.
Stay in the middle.
Let's go now.
Nice, Rocco.
Right off the neck.
What?
Way to fight. Don't stop it. Get in there. Lead.
Maddie, get it!
Good ball move.
Let's go! Maddie, get up! Win it! Hurry up! Go,
Nice, Rocco.
Go, Sammy, go.
You're in! Go!
That's a hold.
Back it up! County number 2!
Take your time, Sam. Elizabeth. They're all going at the same time.
Get in front of her!
Get it out, guys.
In the middle! Watch the short, Anaya! Anaya, watch the short there!
Get in front of her. Get in front of her.
Get closer, Calderon!
Watch, get in front.
Come on, let's go!
Now run to that ball. Run to it. Run to that girl. Watch the ball. Run to it. There you go. Pressure.
Go, Caldy.
Get it out!
Nice, Caldy. All right, you got her. Awesome, Caldy. Good move.
Good job, Caldy. Let's go, Tamron. Big kick overhead. There you go. Come on, Chief. Gotta go to the ball.
Come on, Alex. Get her, Alex. Don't stop.
Go, Sammy, go.
Sammy.
Go.
Right there, Maddie.
Nice, Cal. Good job, Anaya.
Nice, Caldy.
Caldy. Sorry, let it go to the side. Let it go to the side. It's nowhere on the side.
Nice.
See that size 8.
Middle, Maddie.
Yes,
Nice series, you said. Get in front of that kick. Somebody should be in front. Good job.
But it's still in. There you go.
There you go, Sam. Good try.
Come on, Anaya. Come on, Caldy.
Got it, nice. Good job, Sam.
Nice, Caldy.
Now run to that ball. Come on.
Nice, Mendoza.
Somebody.
Turn on it and kick it, Nick. Drop it and kick it. Big kick, Nick. So hold it, settle it, and then kick it. Look in the middle. Good, nice move, Nick. Now here he goes. Please finish it.
Quickly! Quicker! Come on, G! Don't turn your back. Get it. That's it. I'll take that. Don't worry about it. Outside! You're in the circle! Outside the circle, Dumar. Take it. Come on, G. You're inside. Get it. Outside. Have your space, Dumar. Reps up. Anaya.
Let's go, Brazil.
Come on, Blue.
Get it.
Danielle.
Fabulous. G, drive it, G, drive. Go, Nicky, go. Oh, back up, back up, back up, back up. Take it to the goal.
Watch where the ball is, Caitlin. Watch where the ball is. Now Caitlin's going the wrong direction.
Get away from her.
Look at Caitlin, Nicky, look at Caitlin. Nicky got burnt, Nick.
Way too much.
Good hustle, girls.
Come on, go wide.
Let it go past. Let it go past. Over. Stay with it. Get it.
Here, Caitlin, we're on.
Go, Devon.
The wind blow that in?
I don't know. We'll have to go to the tape on.
Ariana, Taylor, get up already. Come on, push. Go, girl.
Good, play that ball.
Go get it, Vince.
Come on, Elizabeth. There you go,
Do that,
Elizabeth.
Mendoza. You can't hold off.
Take
Who's
it
here?
back.
Who's here? She's going to get it. Quick pass, Kira. Quick pass. Almost, Kira. I saw you doing, Kira. Don't get so Come on, bitch.
Get up there.
Quick turn, Danny. Quick turn. Like it? Get this.
Walk, Dan. Come on, walk.
That's it. Come on, don't be scared.
We're in breakfast, Danny.
I think that was. She gets a poster for that one.
There's either one direction.
The alligators are working overtime.
Take
the time, Danielle.
Look. Heading down, look. Mendoza, we can't let it run. Bitch. Go, Sam. Stay in the center.
Go, Sam. Go, Sam. Go, Sam. Get outside.
You're on.
Caitlin, on. Here, Caitlin, across.
Go. Outside, we gotta do that. Go get it. And Danielle in. Easy stick. Good step. Start looking. Back pedal. Back pedal, Taylor. Behind you. Well done, Summer. Go. Push that. Bitch, switch.
Hurry, Danielle.
Central bit.
You got it, Elizabeth. Get to that ball.
Take the ball.
Elizabeth, you turned it back. You gave up a goal. You're in, Kira.
Go, Kira.
Go, Kira. Nice try, Kira. Well, first one, watch it.
Good job, Calvin.
Nice try, bro.
Middle, Nick. Take it, Ariana.
Take it.
Come on, Caitlin. Get somebody.
Ready, Sammy?
Middle, Nick.
Nice try, Sam.
Ariana, you gotta take it off. Get it, Taylor. Got a girl, Taylor.
Oh, go, Kira.
Oh!
Kira.
That's it, Eileen. Get it, Taylor.
She's like, you got it.
Nice try. What were you aiming for the other one?
To make the whole combination of just make it so close. Can you stop standing on the ball like an idiot?
Just get off.
Get off the ball.
What's up? Elizabeth.
Don't kick it.
Up it.
5 points down. Makes me think. Because I like it so bad.
There you go, KP. There you go. You're a sweeper. Stay back.
Her shot.
Look up.
Nice try. Nice, Danielle.
Use Chaz, use Chaz. Have your hold on. Hold on, Chaz. Settle, Mendoza, settle. Quickly, quickly. Alex, big. Alex, that's it, Maddie. 1, 2, Maddie,
Nice try, Mendoza.
play faster than that, Calvin. Offense now. Hey, Pete.
I want to change them.
Hey, look up, look up.
Pressure, pressure, pressure.
Nice play.
Pressure, pressure. There you go. Now, Taylor, run with the ball, babe. Stay right there. Stop right there. Watch, watch the ball. Stop right there. Stop right there. Wait until she goes now. You know watch where she's going. Watch the direction. Go. Play the ball.
1, 2, quickly touch. Put it through. You're in cover. That's it, Maddie. Good position. Wait for it.
Nice, Kira. All right, good job, Bo. Good hustle, Bo.
Head racker. Settle, Mendoza. Callie, settle.
Not right here.
Callie, if you pass happy, you got to try and get one. Here's your chance to score. Maddie, come on. Come on, Maddie. You're Callie cross.
Too much.
Better. Better. In front of somebody.
Watch it like be wide open. He's one. It wasn't me. Go, go, go. Yes.
Well done, Anaya. That's it, Anaya. Go, Summer. Go, Summer. Go. Send her. Send her, Anaya. Big. Come on, Daddy.
Get back, Mendoza.
Go, Caitlin. Go, Caitlin. Walk. Go, Caitlin.
Go, Anaya. Go. Hey. There you go, KP. Get it, get it, get it. Someone wide up, someone wide up.
Shoe tied again.
Go get it, someone. Turn. Nobody. Time, someone, time.
Nice hit.
Mendoza in the middle. Go through Mendoza. Get it, Maddie. Go to her, Maddie. Maddie, go to her. Thank you.
Come on, Alex.
That's it.
She's getting her shoe tied.
Corner, Sam. Let's try, girls.
You're doing it.
Look the field. Go, Elizabeth. Take that ball. Take it. They're going to the goalie. Go, Fitz.
Nice, Fitz.
Send it outside. Send it.
Get up, Nick, get up.
Go, Calvin.
Come on, Mendoza, get a touch! Maddie, send it. There you go now. That all you roll. Here comes you up.
Staying in, bounce.
Go quickly, quickly. Alex, you'll throw it, quickly. Nick, Nick, your center. Come on. Mendoza, Calvi, got a game on offense. Show us something right now. An opportunity for you two. Good, get it. Go, go, go. It's all right, keep battling. Middle, middle, you got Mendoza, quick. Come on, Kira. All right, middle. Mendoza, Calvi, you got through ball, Dumont, through ball. Wait, Dumont. Naya.
Go, Naya.
Go, go, go.
Through ball, Calvi, your head is down.
Good, Calvi, good, good, good. Go, Calvi.
Oh, nice try, Calvin.
Touch, touch.